What's up, YouTube? This is my 2004 Volvo S60R. I just installed a catch can on it, and I had some people ask me how I installed it, how I routed it. So I want to make this video in case anyone else is looking to install one. It's actually pretty easy, but there are a few ways you can actually install a catch can on these cars. I was looking for the easiest way to do it. Basically, the idea is you want to install it somewhere between the PCV box, which is under the manifold, and in between the intake right before the turbo. The easiest way to do it without modding, without drilling, without even having, honestly, I didn't even take anything off to install it. Here it is. It sits like this. So the way it's installed is I got a corner brace for like doors from Home Depot. I drilled 2 holes in it so it would line up with the holes on the catch can, and then I just bolted it in. And the place where it actually sits is, so here's the radiator support, and then here's the frame. You slide the corner brace in between the two, you kind of shove it in, and it locks in place. So you don't have to drill anything. You don't need any, fancy attachments. So you just put it in here, and then it just sits. So actually mounting it, super easy. So for the actual routing, on the ends of the catch can, I got 13mm barb fittings. And these hoses are 1/2-inch fuel hoses. I got this off Amazon. I'll link everything in the description. So let me show you guys how it's actually routed. Okay. So, my finger in there. This hose right here, this is what's coming from the inlet port of the catch can. So inlet port, meaning it goes into the filter, so it'll filter the air. So this long hose that goes up top and then comes down, this connects into the main PCV crank breather hose, or whatever it's called. Normally the end of the PCV hose, it connects into the PTC on the intake pipe right before the turbo. So basically you unplug the main PCB breather hose from the pipe, and the intake hose from the catch can, which is this one, connects into the 90-degree elbow and then connects into the PCV hose. So this is the inlet hose, connects like that. And the outlet, so this, the airflow goes this way, goes into the catch can, and then this hose right here, which connects from the outlet port on the catch can, connects directly into the PTC that's in the intake pipe right before the turbo. Now, I also took the PTC out. I drilled it out, made the hole bigger for more airflow, and then I installed it. And that's it. You just clamp the intake pipe into the end of the PCV breather hose with that 90-degree elbow. The outlet hose on the catch can connects into the PTC and goes right here. Super easy to install, super easy to take off, but I've been testing it. It's been good. It idles better, it drives better, it just seems like it breathes a little bit better. So I highly recommend it. I'll link everything I used in the description. Let me know if you have questions.